Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel yet again. So as you can see by the title and by the video and by where I am in the video, I'm going to be doing another wash day routine on my hair, and this is the wash day routine that I'm doing for me just taking out my cornrows. So this is what I do. Usually I don't use shampoo, but I'm trying something new because I usually don't like how it makes my hair feel, but we'll go ahead and get into that further into the video. But if this is your first time finding my channel, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell so you can be alerted whenever I post a new video. And if you found this video helpful, please go ahead and thumbs up. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is just going ahead and saturating my hair in some water. And yeah, this is pretty self-explanatory, but that's all I'm doing right now. It's just making sure that my hair is completely saturated. And I am taking this shampoo. Man, what is this called? Is this Carol's daughter? I'm sorry y'all, I don't know, but I'm sure y'all know about the packaging, but I just forgot what it's called. But yeah, this is a shampoo that I am taking, and as you can see, I am just applying it to my scalp. I'm not applying it to my ends because my hair has gone through enough, okay? And I don't think that I need to put any shampoo on my ends. And honestly, this shampoo doesn't have like parabens and things like that in it, but just shampoo altogether is very stripping to my hair. So honestly, you guys, if you have any co-washes that you guys use, or pre-poos, or anything like that, any type of cleanser that doesn't suds up, y'all, please leave them down below for me. I definitely want to try those out because I typically don't like using shampoo on my hair, but because I was spraying a lot of rice water and putting a lot of different products in my hair, well, not different products, but I was putting rice water in my hair, and it does have a bunch of different oils and things like that that I mix into mine. So I do want to go ahead and give my hair just a fresh, clean slate. But if you guys do have any co-washes that you guys use or cleansers that you use for your hair, please leave them down below for me. I definitely want to use those or check them out. But yeah, that's all I'm doing, is just parting my hair into 2 sections and then just getting those roots and getting that scalp really good. And honestly, just by looking at my hair and feeling it after the shampoo, it just felt so freaking dry. Like, shampoo makes my hair feel so dry, but I am just trying to currently add more moisture back into it. But yeah, so right now I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy the video while I go ahead and rinse out this shampoo. So yeah. Okay, so I did go ahead and get all the shampoo out of my hair. So what I'm doing now is just taking this Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask, and honestly, you guys, this makes my hair feel so soft. And I'm also taking the African Pride Curling Cream. I'm using these 2 products together, but the Shea Moisture Deep Treatment Mask makes my hair feel so soft. And one thing that I really love about this product is how thick and creamy it is. So whenever I look for deep conditioners or conditioning treatments, I love the ones that are thick because I feel like they're really penetrating my hair and they're really adding a good amount of moisture into my hair. So I really love that. And sometimes I will even use this as a regular leave-in, and that's actually what I'm doing in this video as well. But sometimes I'll use it whenever my hair is just dry. I'll just go ahead and apply this to my hair, and even when I do that, it makes my hair feel so soft. Like, I don't know what is in this that makes my hair feel so soft, but I really do love this product. And to the African Pride curling cream, I like the way this smells, and I do like how it kind of defines my curls without having to use any gel. So that's the reason I was using the curling cream. So the way that the curling cream smells, it smells so amazing. It smells like coconut cookies, coconut pastries. I don't know, it smells so good. But those are the two products that I am using, and the curling cream does make it so that it does kind of define my hair, and it does actually add a good amount of slip. What I can say about the Shea Moisture Deep Treatment is that it does not have a lot of slip at all, but the combination of the Shea Moisture and the curling cream from African Pride together, it's like an amazing duo, because I did I did get some curl definition when my hair did dry, so that is always a plus, especially when I don't have to use any gel. So I was able to use it, or kind of wear my hair in like a one day like little wash and go situation without having to put any gel in my hair, because right now I don't plan on putting any type of gel or anything like that in my hair, because I do plan on braiding it up back again very soon, and I don't want to have to keep washing it and getting gel out. So yeah, that's all I'm doing now, is just applying all of the products all over my hair, just parting my hair into smaller sections and applying those two products. And that's pretty much it for what I'm doing right now. It's pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. I'm just trying to really add a good amount of moisture back into my hair, just to make sure that my hair does stay moisturized, because as you guys know, after that texturizer, my hair was going through it. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. And you know, pretty simple, pretty easy, and boom, we finna be one and done, or two and done, because we're using two products, but you know what I'm trying to say.
Tino.
Alright you guys, and we are almost done applying this throughout my whole entire head. I am just also going through and detangling my hair at the same time. Also guys, I am sorry about that comb that's hanging up with my hair on it. I'm sorry. Somewhere in the video I showed how much hair loss I was experiencing in this video, but honestly I wasn't that alarmed, because my hair was in braids for a little bit, so the amount of hair that I was losing, I wasn't shocked. But if you guys have been watching my channel, you know that my hair has been shedding, or it was shedding really bad. Like, it was like every time I was touching my hair, it was literally just coming out, and that was so alarming for me and so scary for me. So what I'm really trying to do right now is just really focus on making sure my hair stays very moisturized, while I just kind of try to grow it back out, because my hair did experience a good amount of damage from the whole texturizing process. And like I said, I was on the fence about texturizing my hair. At first I was very gung-ho, like I probably will texturize my hair again, but just like over time, like, or just in these past 2 months, just me kind of looking at my hair, I'm like, it really wasn't worth it. So I'm probably just gonna really try to spend more time figuring out exactly what my hair needs and wants. But I do know for a fact I am going to miss being able to comb out my hair like this, because once my hair starts growing back out, this will be a thing of the past. It is so difficult for me to comb my hair out, just because of how tender-headed I am. But you know, it comes with the territory. You just gotta live with it and all that jazz. But I am gonna let this sit and then let it dry, And as I speak, because I'm editing this while simultaneously kind of filming another video, so I'm having a deep conditioner sit in my hair right now, and I am gearing up to put the cornrows right back in my hair just to get my hair back to the length that it was and longer. So yeah, I don't know why I was telling you guys that, but yeah, that's pretty much mostly it for this video. I did just want to show you guys how I am currently just refreshing my hair or washing my hair and just adding moisture to it. I'm not gonna rinse this out. I am gonna let this dry, and I did put a lot in intentionally because, like I said, I'm just trying to add as much moisture back to my hair as possible. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what it's looking like close up. So this is what my hair looks like after the texturizer. It's not even a crazy amount of definition, but when it did dry, I was able to see that I was having like some curls popping in this fro, which is all due to the curling cream. So I really love that product for just giving your hair a little bit of definition without having to use any gel. And my hair was so soft when it dried. You guys, it's crazy how soft my hair was. But yeah, I just wanted to go ahead and show that to you guys. And I do want to say thank you guys so much for watching my channel. Like, comment, subscribe if you have not already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video. So goodbye. Hey guys, so I'm trying something new out with my content, so if you made it to the end of this video, you are definitely a trooper, and I thank you guys so much, so much for your comments and your support. Like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys next time in my next video.